best keto salad for easy weight loss. This salad has very less carbohydrates, very easy to prepare and very healthy. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special keto salad with avocado. First take 10 to 15 quail eggs in a bowl. Pour enough water and boil the eggs. Until that, we will cut our vegetables. Take half medium size red capsicum and half yellow capsicum. Cut the capsicum into long thin pieces and drop it in a bowl. After cutting capsicum, take one medium sized cucumber and cut it into small pieces and drop in the same bowl with capsicum. After cucumber, take 4 to 5 lettuce leaves or Napa cabbage leaves. Cut the leaves into long, thin pieces and drop it in the bowl. Here I am using Napa cabbage leaves. After cutting leaves, take 2 avocados. Cut them into half, remove the seeds and peel the skin. Now cut half avocado into half moon shape for decoration and the remaining avocado into small pieces and drop it in the bowl. After cutting avocado, take 50 grams of processed cheese. Cut the cheese into long thin pieces and add to the chopped veggies. You can use salted or unsalted cheese as per your availability. Now take the boiled quail eggs and remove the shell. Cut the eggs into half and add to the veggies. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, two tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well all the ingredients. Now add salt to taste, half lemon juice, mix well and serve in a plate. Use chopped avocado for decoration. That's it, our tasty, healthy keto salad with avocado and quail eggs is ready.